Have you been thinking about upgrading your home security setup? Well, the Eufy Entry Sensor E20 might be the easiest way to do so, but is it actually worth it? Well, in today's video, I am going to unbox it, show you how to set it up in the app, demonstrate how easy it is to install, and at the end, we're gonna go over some pros and cons so that you can make a decision if this product is right for you. Now, welcome back to another episode of Clean 8-Bit. My name is Edwin, and this is the first time that I'm actually in front of the camera, officially. Well, now you know who's been behind these dry hands all this time. Yeah, it was me. So what is the Eufy Entry Sensor E20 anyways? Well, it is a magnetic sensor that you can stick to your doors or windows at home, and it will trigger and notify you when they are open. It is currently selling in Amazon for $24.99 as of recording of this video. Alright, now let's get to the unboxing. The Eufy Entry Sensor E20 comes in this very tiny box. Inside we get a quick start guide, we get some screws which we are not gonna use, and we get some 3M double-sided tape, which we are going to be using for the installation in this video. Then we have the sensor itself. The sensor is composed of two parts, one which holds the battery and the physical buttons, and the other one is just a metal piece that triggers the magnet inside of the sensor. Turning it around and sliding open this back plate and pulling this tab reveals the battery. Now, I was a little disappointed that this battery is not rechargeable. The battery itself is a CR123A lithium battery, which I don't think I've ever used in my whole life. The good thing is that it's supposed to last up to 5 years, and that is pretty much everything we get inside the box. Now let's get around to setting it to the app. You're gonna have to remove the back plate because we need access to this sync button here, which you wanna hold for 3 seconds. Once you see this light blinking, that means that it is ready to go. Now you need to download the Eufy app in your phone, and once downloaded, you want to open it, go to the top right corner, add device, and then here we can search for E20, and there it is, the Eufy sensor. Add it to your home and home base, and then it's going to give you instructions to do all of the stuff that I already gave you instructions for, and it's going to start discovering the entry sensor, so it's going to look for it. Then you get to name it. You can name it with the area that you're going to put it on. I'm going to use the back door, and then it gives you instructions on how to install it and how to use it. So in reality, you didn't even have to watch this damn video. After all of that, the sensor is going to show up on the main screen of your app, and it's going to show you the status if it's open or closed. Then we can put the lid back on, and we are ready to install it on the door or window. Now, I want to pause the video here so that we can hear a few words from the sponsor of this video. Hey, it's me. Who did you expect? Of course I have no sponsors on this video. It's me, myself, and I, investing all of my money and my time in this channel. So please, if you really want to help out this channel since we have no sponsors, please subscribe to this channel. Back to the video. Now this is the door that I'm going to be installing the sensor on, and this is the orientation that I'm going to be using, but note that you can also install it on this orientation if you like. Clean the area with some alcohol to make sure that the sensor sticks properly. So the provided double-sided tape has two different sizes to it, corresponding to the different sizes of the sensor pieces. So we're going to start with the smaller piece of the sensor. Peel back one side of the double-sided tape and stick it to the back of the small piece, and then we're gonna do the same with one of the bigger double-sided tapes. Peel that back and stick it right on the battery cap of the bigger sensor piece. Now grab and peel back the other double-sided tape side, and now we can stick it onto the fixed surface. You want the big piece of the sensor to be stuck on the fixed side of the door and the smaller one on the door so that the big piece does not move. To set up an alarm, we want to open the Eufy app. Do not go to the sensor option or to the home base option here. Instead, go to this smart tab at the bottom, and once you click there, you can select your home base. Select the mode that you have your home base set up to and go to settings. Then find the sensor and make sure that the home base alarm is checked on or off. Then save. I put it to on, so now it says that the sound alarm is enabled. This means that when I'm on the home mode on my home base and the sensor gets triggered, the alarm is gonna go off. One of the biggest complaints about the E20 sensor, it's the lack of a speaker on the actual sensor. I guess the previous version of the Eufy door sensor used to have a speaker built in so that you can set up the chirp tones, chime tones into it so that it will make a sound every time the sensor will trigger. Now the only way you can get the chime to sound is through the home base. But it's unfortunate because if you have the home base far away from where the sensor's at, you're not going to be able to hear it when you open that door or window. Anyways, I am going to show you how to set up the chime tones in the app. Open the Eufy app and go to the sensor area, then go to settings, then you want to go into chirp tones, and here you can select all of these different tones. I am gonna stick with the classic, is the one I like the most. And you can also adjust the volume here at the bottom of how loud the chirp is going to be. Okay, so now we're gonna go over some pros and cons. Some of the pros that I found is that the installation was super easy, barely an inconvenience. Another pro is that there are no tools required or any wiring. Everything is wireless. It's very reliable at giving notifications when it gets triggered. I also appreciate how small the product is and how it comes in white, so it doesn't really stand out because most window frames and door frames are white, so it kind of blends in with that. Another pro is that the battery lasts for 5 years, so I don't have to worry about changing batteries frequently. And that brings me back to the first con. It doesn't have a rechargeable battery. I guess I'm just spoiled with everything having rechargeable batteries nowadays. Another con, as I mentioned earlier, is that the device itself does not have a speaker. So any chime, any trip that you wanted to make, any sound that you wanted to make when it triggers, it's not going to come through the device itself, but rather through the home base. And if the home base is really far away, then you're not going to be able to get that instant sound notification when you open the door or window. That brings me to the biggest con of this device, and that is the fact that you need the home base in order for it to work. And so that small $25 investment becomes almost $150 investment when you account for the cost of a home base 3 at the moment. Another con that I've read on Amazon was that the device does not have an adjustable timer for the door left open. So that means that you get notifications instantly and there's not going to be a delay. Like, let's say you could set up a 5-minute timer so that if you open the garage door and you go in there for less than 5 minutes, you're not going to get a notification. So who is this product for? I think this product is great if you already use or plan to use any of the Eufy security products. Now, if you want a simple set it and forget it door or window sensor, this is perfect for you. And if you are really interested in a no hassle, quick installation where you're not going to have to hire somebody to come and do the job for you, this is just great for that. Who might want to skip this product? Now, if you were expecting a full home security system with this product, I think you're going to be very disappointed since it only comes with the sensor for the $25. So you will need to spend way more money on that. So this wouldn't be a product for you if you don't have the home base or plan to get one. If you just want something like, let's say you have a convenience store and you want to hear when the door opens and closes at your store, then this wouldn't be a product for you. And there you go. So hopefully with all of this, you can make a better informed decision. I would love to know if you like this type of videos. If so, please leave a comment down below and encourage me to make more, because it did take a long time to do this very in-depth video for this product. But if you found it helpful, then I wouldn't mind making more like this one. Please don't forget to like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and don't forget to clean 8-bit.